University to talk about some of her experiences doing the movement in Tennessee. And of course, Professor McKissack, let me welcome you to the show this morning.
I'm pleased, delighted to be here this morning.
And to tell you how delighted we are to have you here this morning, and especially to talk about the civil rights movement in Nashville, because we do understand that the Nashville movement was very, very important to the overall civil rights movement. But Professor McKissack, before we get started talking about the civil rights movement, let's talk about you.
Okay.
Let's have you to give us some information about your background, your education, and some of the things that were important that eventually led you to Nashville and eventually to participate in the movement, and after which we're going to talk about the civil rights movement in Nashville itself.
Okay. I was born and raised in Detroit, Michigan, and went to the public school system there, and upon graduation was interested in coming south. I was from a middle-class family, and back in the day, you sent your children south to school. I had an opportunity to go to Wayne and Michigan State University, but I wanted to go to a historically black college. And that's kind of interesting because in the South at that time and other places, they were moving towards integration. And I had been in integration, living in, you know, predominantly white communities, integrated schools, and I wanted to have the opposite experience. So I came south and attended Tennessee State University. All my education is at Tennessee State. My master's and plus at Tennessee State University, and Peabody, additional courses at Wayne and the University of Northern Colorado and so forth. I've taught in the school system for 32 years in metro schools.